All is totally well. Thank you
Excellent.
for everything.
Hey, you're welcome, man. You're welcome.
Officially welcome to South by Southwest. We obviously just got the news that you're going to be producing Mute as a graphic novel.
That's right. Yeah, absolutely.
How are you going to approach that, and is that going to be different?
Well, you may know there's a couple of pieces of concept artwork which slipped out on the net a while ago, and that sort of gives you a little taste of what the idea is. But obviously, it's early days. We're going to be sort of choosing illustrators and people to work with. So we'll, I'm looking forward to maybe finding a whole new take on it. And but it'll definitely, as you know, Mute is always designed to be sort of an homage, a love letter to Blade Runner. So it'll have that vibe.
And you're doing something special here on your press tour. You brought Ro with you.
I've brought Ro with me. We're going to go visit the Museum of the Weird, I hope. Because we are. And we're trying to keep Austin weird. So.
Yeah, man. Keep Austin weird. Thanks so much.
Nice talking to you.
Duncan, this is Trey.
Hey, Duncan, how are you?